So guys, see, I have written a scenario for a application where my application is having only these modules. Okay, only inbox is there, spam is there, logout is there. So in inbox there are two mails, and in a spam nothing is there. So if I want to do the integration testing, there is some data in the inbox, so I need to move that, or I need to copy paste that data into some other modules like spam. So what I'll do, let us go to scenario, log into Gmail as user A. Okay, navigate to inbox. Next, select a mail. Selected the mail. If you select, there is a hamburger where you'll get an option that move to spam. I moved that to spam. What is the guarantee that the data is transferred? Got it?
Yes.
As soon as you click on move to spam, confirmation message also you'll get. The mail is moved to spam. But what is the guarantee? So navigate to spam. It means click on the spam.
Spam.
Check whether the mail is displayed. So my requirement says that any mail is present in inbox, I can make it or move it to the spam. And any mail which is present in the spam, I can move it to the inbox. Got it? So that is my particular data flow. So I have written one of the scenario and also the steps. Like test case, step one, always it will be open the browser and enter the URL. For the web application, what do you mean by web application? Any application which will open the browser and enter the URL.
Okay.
That application is called as web application. So I entered the URL www.gmail.com. Login page should be display. Why should we display? Since we are looking into the requirement and writing the scenario. Okay. Or test case steps. So next step will be enter the username and password. Click on the login button. So I enter the input, whatever it is there that I entered, and I'm expecting home page should display. Next step. Click on inbox button. As soon as you log in, there will be something called as inbox. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or see, listen. Home page should be displayed. The requirement says in home page, inbox, spam, logout. Only 3 components should be there. Yes or no?
Yes.
So home page should be displayed. Consists of and contains. What and all contains? Inbox and spam.
Spam
Yes or no?
and logout.
And logout.
And log out.
And logout. Okay. Spam, logout. Got it? Only these 3 modules. This way I have written home page should be assume something extra is there or something is missed in the home page. No, again that I will feel it as a defect because those components are not developed by the developer. So that and I'll leave. Future one by one you will understand. Now you understood, right? As soon as you get to home page, this component should be there. That is mentioned in the requirement. So I'm writing that in the test case because in a detailed way I'm doing that. So next I'm clicking on inbox button. As soon as I click on inbox button, am I giving any input?
No, sir.
No, right? So not applicable.
Yeah.
So my next, what I'm expecting as soon as I click on the inbox page
Should open.
should be displayed.
Displayed. Yep.
Okay. And since my requirement says that there is 2 mails, yes or no? This is my requirement, no? There are 2 mails I'm telling. So what page? Inbox page should be displayed along 1 second, along with how many mails? 2 mails.
2 mails.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
My next step, what it says, 4th step,
Is
select a mail and move to spam. This is a step. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm selecting a mail, moving to. Am I giving any input?
Not
No.
applicable.
No, right? So no
No.
input means not applicable. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
So once after I move to spam,
Mm.
my next step will be what?
Expected result.
Navigate to spam. Okay. Move to spam. So what is my expected result?
The mail is not in the
No,
inbox.
no, not like that.
Uh-huh.
Mail
Mm-hmm.
moved to spam.
Okay. Okay.
Some confirmation message should be displayed. Got it?
Right.
Oh. Okay.
Mail moved to spam.
Mm-hmm.
Confirmation message
Should be displayed.
should be displayed. Got it?
Yes.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this is my fifth step. What is my fifth step?
Mm.
Navigate
To spam.
to spam
Mm.
and click on it.
Mm.
Spam button or something. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
So what it will display again? If I do that, no,
Spam.
not applicable, right? So
Yeah,
whatever
input.
the inputs,
Yeah.
yeah.
Not
So
applicable.
how I need to write my last step means
Mm-hmm.
spam page should be displayed
Mm.
along
Mm.
along 1 second. Along with the mail. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So why along with the mail? This is the data. See here. I am selecting one of the mail. Okay. See here. Select a
Yeah.
mail.
Yeah.
And I'm checking the same mail is present in my where
Mhm.
in the spam. Got it?
Spam.
Yeah.
Yes.
So data I transferred and I'm checking that whether the data is received or not. Okay. This is
Correct.
my test case.
Hmm.
So if you see this test case, no,
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
if you see this test scenario, first of all, log into Gmail as user A, navigate to inbox, select a mail and move to spam, navigate to spam and check whether the mail is displayed. If you share this or if you tell this story to a person who is not having an idea of Gmail, the person don't know the Gmail. If you tell this scenario, can he test the software?
Hmm. If you tell the scenario, can he test the software?
If person doesn't know the Gmail, that's what you're trying
Yeah.
to say, sir?
Yes.
Probably, yeah.
What? By looking into this, he will do all the activities, huh?
Sir, it is important to have everything clearly stated in the test case table.
Yes. So, very good. So, this is a high level documentation. Got it? This is a high level. But my test case is a detailed documentation. What is this? Detailed documentation. So what do you mean by high level documentation and detailed documentation? So by looking to the detailed documentation, let me consider if Prerna's son is of 7th standard, is studying. Okay, let me assume. Prerna written a test case. Hey, come here, son, my dear son. You just see this, whatever I have written, and do the same as it is, whatever it is present in the test case. Open the browser, enter the URL. Obviously, we'll open the browser and we will enter the URL. What URL you will enter? You mentioned that. You will enter that. And you will click on enter button. Login page should be displayed. Login page will display for him because he is using the software. Got it? So
Yes.
that column is called as actual result. What column? That will be actual result column.
Actual
Result. So when can you write the actual result means when you are doing a validation process. Validation process means execution of the test cases.
Correct.
When you execute the test, when you want to execute the test case, the software should be ready and it should be installed in the server.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now I have a requirement. Developer is one side writing the code and I am free in the company. That time by looking into the requirement, I'm analyzing the requirement, understanding the requirement and writing the test scenarios and test cases for that. Okay. That is what I'm doing. So firstly, I have analyzed the requirement and I came with a high level scenario. I have documented and after writing the scenario, I should write the test case. So I have written that. And that is hand over to Prerna's son. Now Prerna's son, what he is doing, logging page should display. Later, there is something called as username, password, login button, cancel button. As soon as you see that, okay, username I have mentioned, you will enter this, and password you will enter this. You will click on enter button or login button. Here only I mentioned that login button. Enter the valid username, password, and click on login button. You will click on login button. Home page should be display. For him, this page will display. Inbox spam logout should be there. I mentioned, as I mentioned, he's confirming. Yes, everything is there. Click on inbox button. He's clicking on this button. As soon as he click on this button, he's giving any input? No, just click action. Inbox page should be display along with 2 mails. My requirement says there will be 2 mails already. So obviously we'll see the 2 mails. Okay, next step, select the mail and move to spam. What you will do, you will click and press on that one. There will be 3 options like this. It will show some lines will be there. No? This is called as hamburger. You will click on that one. There is an option called as move to spam. Only this much is mentioned in the requirement. Okay, he will move to the spam. As soon as he move to the spam, some confirmation message will display. Mail, moved to spam. Confirmation message you will get. Okay. As soon as he get the confirmation message, then he got it. See here, as my step also saying that confirmation message should be displayed and it is displayed. It means he is done first step and it is passed. Second step is passed. Third step is passed. Fourth step is passed. Navigate to spam and click on spam button. You will navigate. It means navigate. You need to come back and you need to go to spam. Navigate means that only. And click on spam. You will click on spam. Nothing is displayed. There is a blank page. Let me assume there is a blank page. So what he will do? He will tell that here it is mentioning spam page should be displayed along with the mail. This is my expected. He will tell Prerna, Ma, there is nothing. It is showing a blank page. I think the software is not working properly. Okay, what you will do? You will communicate to developer because the integration testing is not working fine. So there is a person who is studying in a 9th standard who is not a test engineer. Can he do the testing by looking into my test case?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Because
Can he
your
look into the
steps are-
test scenario and can he execute that? No.
Say it again.
Got it?
No.
Okay. For that, no.
Yeah, understood. So test case is always a detailed documentation. Got it? Test scenario is a high level documentation.
Okay.
Test scenario we will write by looking into the requirement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I told you there is a requirement document. By looking into that, we are analyzing the requirement and we are writing.
Yes.
We are writing the test case by looking into the test scenario and also the requirement. Both. Test scenario is the main thing now. Got it? So
Yes,
by looking into the test scenario, we're writing the test case. And you cannot test or you will not be able to test the software by looking into the test scenario until and unless you have a very good idea about the requirement. If you have a very good idea about the requirement, yeah, obviously you can do that. Assume if you don't have an idea, if you are a fresher, you can't look into the scenario and you can test the software. So I will tell by looking into the test scenario, we will not be able to test the software until unless I have a Domain knowledge. What is this? Domain
Domain.
knowledge. Sir, what do you mean by domain? Now, whatever I am doing, no, this is my education domain.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm teaching. So whatever Reena is doing, that is healthcare domain. Got it?
So
And
that means
whatever
kind of
Prerna,
experience that you're saying?
no. It's
Domain
not
means?
experience. Domain means healthcare is a domain where you will be taking care of health type of health related
Okay.
job. Okay.
Got it.
Where Prerna is also, I think previously she was involved in education domain only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So there is a e-commerce domain. Your Amazon application is there, no? That is a e-commerce domain. Understood? And your
Yes,
Gmail is there. It is a telecom domain. Why? The data you are transferring, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it will comes under telecommunication domain. Like that.
Okay.
If I have a domain knowledge, what time domain knowledge? Telecommunication domain knowledge, like select, send this, so message, open. This is what my telecommunication. So if I have that domain knowledge, then I can do it easily.
Correct.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is what I am telling. So if you don't have the telecommunication domain knowledge or education domain knowledge or e-commerce domain knowledge, still you can execute the test cases by looking into the test case.
First case.
Yeah.
Understood? You can test
Yes.
the software by looking into the test cases. In interview, they will ask, what is the difference between test scenarios and test cases?
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you guys understood how to write the test case?
Yes, sir.
I think somebody is written previously. Prerna, I think. Yes, sir?
No, sir. It was Reena, sir.
Okay, Reena.
Yeah.
Reena, what she's done, she don't know what to do, but still she's tried. So
Yeah.
now she understood how to write. Now she can do it. That is the difference. Okay. So this is how we will write. So when you are functional testing, when you are doing functional testing, there is a text field. First name text field. Got it?
Yeah.
First name text field is there.
Yes.
So that is in a sign up page. So what you need to do for that, I'm telling you, open the browser, enter the URL. Login page should be displayed. In a login page, there will be something called as sign up also. Somewhere it will be mentioned in the link. Yes or no? Username will be there. Password will be there. And somewhere, if you don't have account, sign up, something will be there.
Yes.
So what I will do, navigate to sign up button and click on it. This will be my second step. Input not applicable. I will tell sign up page should be displayed along with first name, text field, last name, text field, username, text field, password, text field, language, location, drop down, date of birth, drop down, terms and conditions, checkbox, gender, radio button, everything I will mention. Okay.
Mention. Yes, sir.
Next step. Next, my scenario says that to check that first name text field should accept 8 alphabets. So what I will do, navigate to first test case I'm writing, navigate to first name and enter 8 alphabets.
Right.
Here I will enter alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here I will enter the input. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So only I have not mentioned what is the input in the test scenario. Got it?
Right. Yeah.
Later, here I will mention that it should accept. That's it. While executing the test case, let me consider again your son. Okay, what he will do, you will open the browser, enter the URL. For him, login page will display and navigate to sign up button. Okay, will navigate, he will see the sign up button. He will click on that one. For him, he will again, it will show the sign up page where all the components are there, username, password, everything. And next step, navigate to first name text field and enter 8 alphabets. What alphabets? He will check in the input A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, something. He will enter that and he will click on submit button or something he will do. And if it will accept no, it will show in a green color. As a test engineer, got it? It is accepting, means nothing, no error messages it will show, or something in a black color it will not show, red color it will not show. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is how he will execute the test case, and that is how we will write the functional testing. Next step, I will go to 4 again. Enter 9 alphabets. I will enter 9. It should accept. Enter 20 alphabets. 20 alphabets I'll write. It should accept. Enter 19 alphabets. 19 alphabets. It should. Enter 21 alphabets. It should not accept. Here, it should not accept, and he should write it is not accepting. That is the actual result. Got it? So
Right.
that is how in detailed way we will test each and every software. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Each and every action will be recorded.
Right.
Each and every step is recorded. So
Yeah.
only we will delivering the very good quality softwares. And if somebody asks, hey, there is a defect, I will not go to requirement and I'll check. I will check first whether I have written the test scenario or not.
Right.
If I am not written the test scenario, no, then obviously I have not tested.
Correct.
So first I will cover it in the test scenario. Assume instead of the blank, as per the requirement, instead of the blank, it is showing me one of the mail. It is showing me one of the mail. So can I tell my testing is pass?
The one that we selected as spam, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How can you tell that message is displayed?
Because
Yes, here
mail is
the mail is
displayed.
displaying. So I can tell this is, so I can tell this test case is pass.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
This is how we will write the test case.
Yeah.
This is how we will write the test case in the company.
Yeah.
So now document this.
Yes,
Take a
sir.
book and write down.
So in the real job life, usually they work in a like
Company.
do they make especially do they make like chart like this, or they just write a test case along with the
Scenario.
looks like a scenarios.
Yeah, scenario. See, this is only this chart will not be there.
Okay.
This will not be there. This will be as per your understanding. You can write for your understanding. See, this is what we'll call it as a use case. What is this? Use case.
Use case.
Some companies will not give the requirement directly. They will give the use cases. Use case means pictorial representation of the requirement.
Yeah.
So if you're not understanding requirement, or if you're feeling that there are 1,000 lines are there, you can make it. You can write the use case for yourself, and you can just write the test cases. But you should be careful. You should not miss anything here in the use case. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any application that the companies use for manual testers to make a test case, like something on the web page?
So are you copying?
Do the company use any application to enter the test cases?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
There are many applications. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think you guys heard something called as Jira.
Yeah.
Yes.
We did.
Okay. This is one of the project management tool where you can write the test cases. And there is something called as test rail.
Test rail. Okay.
And there is something called as ALM, Application Lifecycle Management. Okay. I think now there is something called as ClickUp. Newly came. We are using this for defect tracking in my company.
Okay.
Okay. And there are many things. Okay. You will actually this and all you should have a license to use.
Okay.
It's not a free
good.
thing. Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah. And in India, all the companies, startup companies and all, They can't spend the money on this like softwares like dollars, $100 per month, $200, $300 per month per account again.
Oh,
So what
my
they
God.
will do, they will write in a Excel.
Oh,
Okay.
Understood? Directly
yes, sir.
write in
Yeah.
Excel. Nothing is there. Just create one template and
Oh,
write in Excel.
okay.
Yes.
Got it,
I
sir.
think done. Written the
Yes.
scenario.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Now
the
write down the
top is
test case.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are mosquitoes in USA.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit.
But in winter now. But definitely where Prerna is, weather is very nice all the time. But
Yeah, but
where I am, there
yeah.
is no mosquitoes in winter.
Yeah, actually, my place is very humid, sir, and more warm.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's a lot of lakes here, so if you go pass by the lake, no, in the summertime, when there's lot of humidity, they bite you very bad.
Okay.
You are in Tampa, Prerna?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then if I visit USA, no need of staying in hotels and all.
Yep.
Train or
Yes,
arena
sir.
will give shelter
Sure,
Yes, yes.
definitely.
for the trip.
Yeah, yeah.
Always.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So write down two columns, test in scenarios and test cases. Or write down the question, what are the differences between test scenarios and test cases?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. What are the difference?
between test scenarios and test cases.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now write down on test scenario side. By looking into the requirement, we will write the test scenarios.
Hmm.
By looking into the requirement, we will write the test scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
And test cases side, right? By looking into the test scenarios and requirement, we will write the test cases.
Hmm.
By looking in the requirement.
and test scenarios,
Mm-hmm.
we will write the test cases. Next point, test scenarios are high-level documents. Test scenarios are high-level documents. Test cases are detailed documentation of test scenarios.
Yes.
Test cases are detailed documentation of test
Test
scenarios.
scenarios.
You
Yeah.
can write test scenarios are high-level documentation of requirement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next point, by looking into the
Hmm.
test scenario,
Test scenario.
we will not be able to test the software.
Hmm.
Will not be able to test the software
Hmm.
until and unless
Hmm.
if you have a domain knowledge.
Okay, domain knowledge. Yes, sir.
Okay.
By looking into the test cases,
Okay.
we can test any software.
We can test domain software. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, one scenario we have covered and one test case we are covered. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
We need to check for all possible scenarios, no?
Hmm.
So can you tell another possible scenarios?
Sir, a negative scenario?
No, positive.
Only positive. Okay. Hmm.
Always you should cover all positive scenarios.
Okay.
Rules.
Yeah.
Later you should go for the negative.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Sir, we can also do it for because we mentioned in the beginning that we are checking 2 mails. So if these steps are done for the first mail, we
Hmm.
can also mention that we do the same steps for the second mail. Do you think it will be an over testing then?
Yes.
I'm still thinking. Yeah.
Yes, over testing.
Yeah, that is over testing. Correct. So the next will be. Sir, we can check with the third module, which is logout.
Yeah. I was going to say that too.
Tell me scenario. Tell me if there should be a data flow.
For a logout?
Yeah. Anything. Integration means what? Data flow. I want a data flow in your scenario.
Okay. So basically, if you log out, then obviously the page for the expected result won't be displayed. So isn't that like negative testing?
No.
Because logout means you're out of that web application. So how we are going
No,
to collect?
way out of. This is one of the point.
Uh-huh.
I mean, that is one of the module. No, you need to check
Yes.
as well. Log out also. You need to click on that one. You can check that. But you
Okay.
have covered in functional testing. If you
Yes.
click on log out, home page, a login page should display. No?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is done. That is done in functional testing. Tell me integration.
Okay.
At least another 3
But-
positive scenarios are there.
3 positive. Okay, spam inbox and logout.
But once you log out, right? That
Mm.
means you see you are out of your mail screen, right?
Yes.
That means you close the email homepage.
Yes. Yes.
So, sir, next scenario can we write, okay, log out and then log in again. So that is one thing, because you cannot log in until you log out.
Hmm.
So we are testing the logout module
But
also.
tell me, where is the data flow? If you log out and log in, no? Is
Uh-huh.
there any data you are passing?
It is questionable, sir.
Not questionable,
Hmm.
thinkable.
Okay. Yes.
Use your unused brains.
Mm-hmm. Logout spam. Okay, sir. So if you log out and log in back, in the inbox, the mail that you move to spam should not be displayed.
Hmm.
So there is a data flow.
How?
Because in the first step of the test case, we have already moved the mail.
So there is a mail. You have moved that to spam. You are logged out.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
You are logging in.
Yeah.
And you are going to inbox. There is only one mail present.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where is the data flow? Data flow kaha hai? If you turn on a switch, there should be a bulb and it should light. Where the bulb is lighting? Unless the bulb is not on, you should not assume that the electricity is passing through the wires.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But here in this case, the expected result is that the mail should not be there, sir.
Mail should not be there is where the data is not flowing, sir. Mail is not there, vanished. Vanished means you are not sure where it went.
Yeah.
You are sure that it went for the spam. It means I have tested that, no, already.
Yes.
If it is vanished here, means it should be present in spam, no?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Then,
so is it like this? Once you log out, you should be able to see the sign-in page?
forget this login, logout. This is I want to trick you, so I added the logout.
Okay.
This is consider it is not there. Now tell me. Eating my head from 10 minutes, logout. Logout is not there. Remove. Okay, now tell.
Sir, from inbox to spam, there is a data flow. I see that. And we have mentioned it in the test case also that we move the mail from inbox to spam. Then you check that mail in the spam, it should be displayed.
That is so done already.
Yeah.
Tell me another 3 scenarios. Positive. Use your unused brain. I think my requirement says there are 2 mails in the inbox. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell.
So, sir, we will check the same for the second mail. So,
what I'll do is,
now
see, I will not write the test scenario now. Okay. What I'll do, I will write the test scenario that log into Gmail as user A, go to spam. Actually, there is one mail. In my previous test case, I moved one mail from here to here. My second mail, what I'll do, my second scenario, what I'll do, my requirement says that the mail should move from inbox to spam and also spam to inbox. I told already in the requirement while explaining.
Okay.
It means the data is flowing from here to there and there to here.
Okay.
So can you tell the scenario now?
Yes. So
Yeah, tell.
you can do. So you navigate to spam, click on spam, select the mail, and move it to inbox,
Yes.
and then again go. I know I have to be more specific.
Yeah.
Yet then you go. You navigate to
Where
inbox.
to
Click
go?
the inbox.
Navigate to inbox. Check whether
Inbox.
the mail is displayed.
Correct. Yeah.
Display.
It should
Here
be
only there. Here only there. But
yeah.
you need to change the words. The sentence
Correct.
is
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Log into Gmail as user A
Huh.
or
Hmm.
already you logged in. Again, we to log in.
Why to
Open
log
the
in? Yeah.
Gmail as user A.
Hmm.
Navigate to spam.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Select a mail and move to inbox.
Hmm.
Navigate to inbox. Check whether the mail is displayed. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
This is my
Right.
second scenario. Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
2 minus 4. How many are there? Another 2 scenarios are there.
Hmm.
Tell me another 2. Okay, first write down.
Okay.
Write down that scenario and leave the space for test case. This you should share me a photo instead of sharing the document.
Okay.
Okay. I'm so sorry, sir. What do you want us to do?
First write down the second scenario, what I said.
Okay.
Leave the space, how much it will take to write the test case.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. For on
That you write in a
for the
home
second scenario.
and send me. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So can we just send it to you later as a homework?
Yeah, I mean within
Okay.
the next class.
Yeah, that's fine.
It means Friday night.
Okay.
Okay, return the scenario. Now another 2 scenarios are there. Rapa tell so that I can finish the class.
Okay, sir.
Now there are 2 mails in the inbox. There is no mails in the spam.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. So now we will check for the second mail in the inbox.
No. The data will be remain same. First mail also data, second mail also data.
Sir, then we are still looking for positive.
Yes.
Okay. I can think of a negative then. Now we will check it. Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, sir, I got an idea.
wow,
I got an
very good.
answer. So we can select, this time we can, so as a user A, navigate to inbox, select both the mails and move them to spam, navigate to spam, check whether the mail is displayed in the spam.
Mails are displayed.
Hmm.
Why? Because why this is, I'm telling, why we need to test this means, obviously there are many mails in the inbox. I can't select one by one and I can't move one by one to spam.
Correct. Yeah.
Right. Right.
Like if you take out your mobile phone, no, if you go to your gallery, there are 100 photos. In that 98 photos are useless photos only.
Yeah.
You want to delete, no? Select
Yeah.
photo, delete photo, select photo, delete photo, select. Can you do that? What you will do? Select
Correct.
all the photos and delete at one shot. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
So there will be select option. So only mentioned a box. If you click on this one,
Oh,
it will be
okay.
select like
Got
this.
it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Got it.
log in as user A, go to inbox, select all the mails or select 2 mails or all the mails. Move all the mails to spam. Navigate to spam. Click on the spam button. Check whether all the mails are displayed. Or check whether 2 mails are displayed. Third scenario done. What about fourth scenario now?
Now, sir, it will be the reverse. Now,
Yes. Tell.
yeah.
Wait,
So
Reena.
yeah.
Ab bolo.
So what I'm thinking is, now both mails are displayed, right? So
Where it is displayed.
on the spam
Same.
folder,
Okay. Okay. So what you need to do now?
then you can try to open the second mail to. Okay, let me use this language. So if you see the second mail, navigate to the inbox and select the mail and move to the spam, the second mail, right? And
No, no,
navigate
no,
to.
no, 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 no. I told you already that if you send one mail or if you send second mail, if you select third mail and send that mail, which means the one mail only, we will consider it as a one mail only. Got it? Because the
Okay.
data is transferring. One time it is transferring means every time that module will work.
Okay, so it
So now
goes by itself.
there are many are there. 3 mails are there. Okay. What if
Okay.
I try to send all 3 at one shot? That I have not tested, no? So select all the 3 mails and move them to the spam.
Spam. Yep.
Go to spam. Check whether all the mails are displayed. Or you can tell all the mails which moved from the inbox are displayed. How will you make sentence? It is different, but the concept you understood, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes or no, confidently.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So can you tell now there are all the mails which is present in the spam where there are no mails present in my inbox because I moved. Now can you
Yeah.
tell me the scenario? Yes, Serena, I think your mic is muted.
So when you open the mail in the spam box,
You can refer here. Here I have written completely, no? Use the same sentence. Try to use.
Okay. Logging into the Gmail,
Yeah.
using navigating the spam, select the mail and move. But then
One
it's
mail,
already
one mail.
No, 2 mail.
Okay, select 2 mails.
Select 2 mails and navigate to. No, then
selected
it's
the mails.
already in the spam, right?
Yeah, you have selected that. Yeah.
Yeah. And make sure that the checkbox.
No.
Displayed.
This is mail. This is mail. This is mail. This is not a checkbox. This is mail. Selecting the mail. Select the mails. Okay.
Yep.
And move to inbox. There is an option called as move to inbox.
Okay.
Okay.
And move to
as
the
soon
inbox.
As you move that, here it will become empty.
Yeah.
In front
and make
of your
sure
eyes only it will become empty.
Okay.
And it will directly move to my inbox, but I'm not sure, no? So navigate to inbox, check whether the mails are displayed.
Displayed in the inbox.
Got it?
Yeah.
I think you need to do the presentation now. Now in the sense tomorrow, both of you,
Yes,
integration testing, take the same example. What and all the four test scenarios I have done now as of now.
Yes, sir.
That 4 only both should explain. I think Reena is having some doubts in her head.
Okay, sir.
Selecting one mail or selecting second mail remains same. Selecting one mail, selecting second mail will remain same. Selecting one mail and selecting all the mails are different.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now write down another 2 test scenarios. You just dictate and write. Prerna.
Another 2 means, sir, after the 1, 2 that we have discussed?
Yeah, 1, 2 is done. Now 3, 4.
Okay. So now, sir.
There are 2 mails in the inbox now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell.
So, Log into Gmail as user A, navigate to inbox, select both the mails and move to spam.
Okay.
Navigate
Comma.
to spam. Yeah.
Okay.
Navigate to spam. Check whether both the mails are displayed.
Yes. Write down. Now explain to her. She will also write.
Okay. So, Reena, basically this time what we are doing, that instead of selecting only one mail, you see
Yes.
that checkbox before the mail, instead of
Yep.
selecting just one checkbox, you are
We are
selecting both
checking
the
two.
checkbox.
Yep.
Yeah. And
Yep.
when you are doing both selection, you are simultaneous. After doing that, the next step is that move both of them to the spam.
Yep. Got it.
So in the first case, sir only selected one mail. But now we have to make sure that we are able to select more than one and put it in the spam.
Spam. Yep. Got
So
it.
this is like a collectively, we are putting them in the spam. In the beginning, it was just one mail, just one specific mail you are putting in the spam.
Yep.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
she understood, I think.
Yeah.
Now write down
I did.
the test scenario.
Okay.
Open the Gmail as user A, comma. Open the Gmail as user A.
Mhm.
Navigate to inbox. Select all the mails and move to spam.
Mhm.
Select all the mails and move to spam,
Okay.
Mhm.
comma.
Mhm.
Navigate to spam
Mhm.
and open. Navigate to spam and open.
Okay.
Check whether all the mails are
Okay.
displayed.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now leave the space for writing the test case.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now one more test case is there. Test scenario is there that I will
Yes, sir.
not tell you guys now, but you
Okay.
guys already know that.
Yes,
You
sir.
write by yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And also the test case. For
Yes, sir.
test scenarios with test cases,
Sure, sir.
assignment I need within tomorrow. I mean before the next class. Got it?
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
And next class will be tomorrow night, right?
Yes.
Friday night.
Yes.
I
So
have one request, sir. Can we have a steady schedule so I can schedule my work schedule according to our class schedule, if it's possible?
like what way? In what way?
Like, steady schedule.